Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with two more small hauls. This will be Pretty Pink Posh and let me think here. Paper Wishes. Paper Wishes. So the first one is from Pretty Pink Posh. They sent me a little card with a coupon on the other side, which I won't share. And they're at Pretty Pink Posh Stamps or www.prettypinkposh.com. And I'm going to have to look at my sheet over here. Okay, so I got two stencils. The first one was called Layered Heart Lattice. Um, let's see if I have a piece of darker paper so you'll be able to see what it looks like. But one has the hearts and the other one has the lines that connect the hearts like that. So the little hearts are at the actual lines, and I think I have a piece of Melon Mambo here. So there's the hearts. And then these will connect it. So you'll have hearts, and you can make them two different colors therefore, or multiple colors. If you want to do rainbow hearts, you can do that too. So I thought that was pretty cool. I have other hearts, but I don't have one like that. I don't remember the prices on all these guys because I'm just looking at the packing list and it doesn't have prices. Sorry. So that was the first stencil I got, and then the other one is layered shamrocks. So it's just two sizes of shamrocks, which obviously probably wouldn't be pink, but it's what I have here to show you. And they're not four-leaf clovers though, they're shamrocks. I was looking at something else. So you could have two-tone green if you want, like a bright green and a clover green. That's probably how I'll use it anyway. And that'll make a nice background for St. Patrick's Day. And I did pull out some other stuff to start on a few St. Patrick's Day things. So let me put that right down there with those so I don't forget. And then this is called Crocus Flowers stamp set because I didn't have crocuses before. They sent a little thank you, grateful for your support, share your creations. Yeah, I might just get in the spotlight. So I've had, daffodils and all kinds of flowers, but I didn't have any crocuses. So this is something I don't have to get rid of something. These are photopolymer clear stamps and they do feel nice and thick. I think I've had from Pretty Pink Posh before. And here's the coordinating dies to go with it now. They are still all connected. Um, I don't know if this, I don't think this is one big stamp, but I guess no, it won't match up with these the way it is because they're not laid out the same way. So I'll have to disconnect this or make a template from this and then put the stamps on the template the same way. That's an option too if you don't want to disconnect these. So anyway, crocuses. Is it just called crocuses? Crocus flowers, coordinating dies. Yeah, and this is crocuses. Crocus flowers is what they call it. Yeah, okay. And then I got this stamp set. I just thought it was cute. And it's called Valentine Cupcakes. It has little hearts, strawberries. I don't think you'd have to use this for Valentine's Day. This could be for a birthday. So could this, really. And so could this. A little bird sending a letter. It has a heart on it, but that's okay. Um, Really, and even this could be for like a summery birthday or something with a strawberry on spring with a strawberry on it. This is the most Valentine-y one. All of them have hearts somewhere, but hearts can be for more than just Valentine's Day if they're not like over the top hearts, right? So that would actually look cute against this background though for Valentine's Day. So I'll have to leave that out so I can use it. And these are the first flower that comes up for spring at my house, although I think the squirrels or something got my bulbs and they are a bulb flower because I only have like two or three of these crocuses that come up anymore, and I used to have a whole little thing around my mailbox, had them, and around my light post. So I have to get some more crocus bulb, but they had to be planted in the fall, so I'll have to get them for this coming fall to plant for next year because they're really pretty. They don't last a long time, and then right after these finish, the daffodils come up and then the tulips. So yeah, crocus, daffodil, tulip. That's kind of the order here anyway, in my climate zone. So that's Pretty Pink Posh, and then Paper Wishes is a smallish order as well. Sorry, I'm dropping other things. And I think the only reason, you know, they have these things that pop up seems like every day for different sales. And I forget why I went there, but something popped up and I don't remember which thing it was of this, but here's what I got. I got 2 sheets of these. These are clear glitter sheets. I think, are these the ones that are adhesive? I don't think so. Let me take one out because when she showed it, they definitely were clear. They might be adhesive. I thought they were going to be full sheets, but I don't know. Maybe I'm remembering wrong. 2 pieces. I guess there's 2 pieces per pack. Nope. It's 2. I guess I got one of 2 pieces, and they're separate. Oh, I can't even get it out. There, it's stuck. Must have some adhesive because it's stuck in the package. Oh, there are 2 pieces in here. My bad. All right, I have to tear the paper. I can't get it out of the package, guys. All right, I think this is adhesive, or it's. I'm going to show you though. It is clear. It's on a white backing. I can get my fingers under there with my lack of fingernails. I thought it was cool. See? It's clear, and now I just got fingerprint all over that particular piece. But isn't that cool? You could overlay that on something if you don't get your fingerprints all over it. And even if you do, it sort of just makes it look cloudy. But I thought that was really pretty. I got 2 packs of them. So they do come in 2 sheets per pack. And yeah, they're hard to get out of the package. That's the only thing. But I'll probably take all these out and put them in a different folder. So I got 2 of them. And then a nesting place. Oh, I think this is what drew me to them in the first place. I think this must have showed up because I'm really into birds and stuff now. Let me move Pretty Pink Posh out of the way. So this is called a nesting place 8.5 by 11 paper, and I don't know who it's by. It doesn't, I guess, Paper Wishes. I don't know. It doesn't have a brand on it. It does have a little bit of an odor, but look at that, gorgeous. I have a bunch of bird stuff pulled out and I want to start using. I'm going to raise you up a little bit so that we can see the whole 8.5 by 11 inch paper. So that's that one. And the back is this. So there looks like 2 sheets of each. Isn't that pretty? That's like a robin's egg blue. But this is just gorgeous. And I like that it's 8.5 by 11. This is spring, obviously. And let's see what the back of that is. Sort of a brown and green leafy. It's wood planks with overlaid with like a vine print on it, a green leafy vine. And a little bird. I think it's a chickadee, but it could be a little baby robin or something, I don't know. And then this one, we have our bird up here. And I think these are cone flowers, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm not sure, like a daisy or something, but it has a black center, I'm not sure. And the back of that one is this. So there's 2 of each of the same, so there's only 6 sheets. 2, 4, 6, yeah. And this, do I have a price on this? Yes, this was $4. $4 for 6 sheets. I think it was on sale. I think it was on one of their sale days for something. And I just thought it was gorgeous. And for $4, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if they still have it or not, but you can check. It's called a nesting place, 8.5 by 11-inch card patterned cardstock. Then I got a freebie. Well, I don't know why this is here. Because this isn't in a package, so they put it in between two of these Coastal Conservation Association sheets. This is flocked. Beaded Hearts flocked 8.5 by 11-inch specialty paper. It was free with my purchase, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see the flocking, but I can definitely feel it. It's not a real thick flocking, but it's definitely on there. The paper looks like knitwear, but it's just paper, and then the flocking is all around the hearts and all up and down these strings. If you remember the 60s at all, there was a time when people would use those beaded strings in their doorways in their houses. Yeah, flower children. I got another pack of these color ball pins. I use them in my ribbon to keep them from unwinding. Some people don't like that because it can put a hole in your ribbon depending on the ribbon, but I don't care. If I use Scotch tape, it doesn't stay on, and then the end of the ribbon gets all sticky. So I like to use them in my ribbon. I don't really sew much anymore, but that you could use them for sewing. Sew Couture, yeah, by Prim, made by PRYM Consumer USA Inc. in South Carolina. And then one more thing, this purple lilacs in bloom. I seem to be on a purple kick because, I got that lavender. But another thing I love is lilacs, and my mom always had a purple and a white huge lilac bushes in my childhood home, and I have been wanting one and I haven't gotten one yet. Okay, now these are paper. They're not cardstock like the bird one was cardstock. They're also 8.5 by 11, and they're double-sided. And Paper Wishes does this. They have their papers connected in twos, and I won't take it all off now. But okay, so the first sheet looks like there's two of them. There's stuff inside that one too. Let's take that out. Okay, so the first two sheets are this with this on the back. Let me make sure I'm in frame. I'll hold them this way. This with this on the back. And then these are cut aparts you can use them for cards. They are paper. I would probably trace them and put them on heavier card to put them down. Aren't they pretty? I might be using this very soon. And polka dots on the back. So you get two of those. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets already. And then these two, oh, pretty lilacs. They're gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. And I got another one inside here that doesn't go there. And then this one is the next paper, but here's the back of this one, and here's the back of the second one. So holding it this way. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This also has the one inside, and then this is the last set. I have two of those too. So pretty. And the back of that is a really dark purple with a light purple dot. And then this one. And this. That's different than, yeah, it's a different shade of purple than the last one. And a different design. And it's a different shade of purple than the first one, too. This is more what I just equate to like a Highland Heather, where this is more, so that's Heather. This is more like a rich raspberry combined with gorgeous grape. I don't know. I'm thinking in Stampin' Up! Colors again. This is more of a pinkish purple with some of that Highlandy Heather kind of purple on it. And that's more Highlandy Heather too. Anyway, just gorgeous papers. But these are paper, specialty papers. And this is all from Paper Wishes. That's all I got is the Lilacs in Bloom 8.5 by 11-inch paper pack. I'll have to watch a video because these are big prints. That's a whole card front right there or right here, you know. This was free and nice for Valentine's Day, and I'm probably going to keep it right inside that. Maybe turn the other way. I don't know. I guess I'll keep the white to that. And then this gorgeous nesting place. This is cardstock, pattern cardstock, and it is definitely thicker than the papers. And then the clear glittered sheets. And then the ball pins. So that's my Paper Wishes. Paper Wishes and Pretty Pink Posh. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below. Did you like these? What's your favorite and why? And yeah, I really appreciate hearing from you. It makes me realize that you are watching and not just coming by and hitting like or just coming by and not even hitting like. So please hit the like button too. I need to get my channel out there and recognized a little more because I kind of hit a plateau, you know. I want to grow it a little bigger. I'd love to get to 5,000 subscribers sometime in 2024. We'll see. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon with another video. Bye.